Hello my crafty friends, so here I am. I'm gonna show you what I got at the Blooming Wild weekend swap. So I participated in two swaps, the MEMORYDEX card and also the page insert. So let's go ahead and reveal the MEMORYDEX card swap. So this one is from Pochik. I'm gonna leave her links, social media links in the description box below. So look at this packaging, and I love this tool. Love the rainbow theme as well. And look at this beauty. I'm gonna open this up. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Look at all the layering and the charm. So beautiful, right? It's a shaker, kind of like a pocket, and here's her name, Pochik, and so gorgeous. And then on top of that, look at this beautiful shredded paper, and she also gave me some goodies. So cut aparts, butterflies and birds. She also gave me a $5 Dunkin' Donut card, washi tape, some colorful rainbow color doilies and rainbow hearts, a fence. Oh, look at these gorgeous bows, and more flowers from Martha Stewart. So thank you, Brittany, for this lovely MDC and the goodies. And I'm gonna show the next one is from Yarailisa, and look at the packaging, so pretty, right? I'm going to open this up. Love the topper and her MDC. It's really nicely packaged. Oh my goodness, look at these gorgeous butterfly. Oh my goodness. I better like put the light there so I don't cast like enough shadows. Yeah. So look at these gorgeous butterfly shaker. Love the dangling thing, and this is Yarailisa, and so pretty. And then she also was generous like Brittany and gave me some goodies. So here's a baggie with stamp block and some of clear stamps, and my goodness, oh, look at these sequin beads and erasers. How cute. And of course, she also gave me some chocolate. Ooh. This chocolate? Perfect. Thank you very much, Yarailisa. So now I'm going to show you the page inserts. I'm gonna put these around here for pictures and page insert. I can't remember how many I got. We were supposed to get 3, but I know that one of my partners, she couldn't get hers on time, so I believe I packaged this one. Is from, I don't have a name, but super cute, so I can punch. And I love the shaker and these goodies. Ooh, I love the diamond pen and some tags from Martha Stewart. Love this baggie, and ooh, I love these beads too. And Happy Notes notebook. Oh, so cute. Thank you very much. And here is the next one. It's a traveler's sort of insert, and I love these taggies. Super cute. Going to New York. I see the Empire State Building. The luggage. all the details. She punched and she also, wow, like sew. That's a good idea. And then on the back, super cute. I love it for my traveling, definitely a notebook that I'm going to be putting together. So thank you very much. And I don't have, oh, this is done by Maribel Rodriguez. So yeah, so these were my goodies from the Blooming While Weekend event. These are the swaps that I received. I'm gonna leave the names and the links of the ladies in the description box below. Just go ahead and follow them up. And thanks for watching, my crafty friends, and see you in my next video. Bye.